Well, greetings one, greetings all. Myself and Paul, Peter and Paul, the apostles of, I don't know, the North Wales Film Society.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Okay, we've come to the village of Llanelidan, and I'm going to hand over to Paul now. He's just going to tell us a little bit about the village.
Yeah. Well, it's mainly owned by, which is now Sir Philip Naylor-Leyland. And he's had it from his father, who's Sir Vivian Naylor-Leyland, and they own most of the land and the property in this village. But there are private houses as well, and he lives about half a mile from here in Nantclwyd Hall, which is his main residence. It's a beautiful place. You know, I've got the pleasure to work here, and I come here every day. So just thought we'd show you what it's like.
Here is a plaque to one of the soldiers who died in the First World War, and it's actually Lieutenant George Vivian Naylor-Leyland, who was the son of Captain Sir Herbert Naylor-Leyland. He died of wounds received in action in France 21st of September 1914, so one of the early ones out there, aged only 22.
I've said this once and I'll say it again now. You know, you come to places like this and it's like stepping back to, I don't know, the wartime, you know, Second World War and things like that. You see places like this, you think of long gone in this busy, you know, sort of age. And it's here, you know, people still use it, and there's a quieter pace of life, and it just calms you down when you come to places like this. And it's beautiful, it is. It's like medicine, natural medicine.
What's interesting here is there's roads all over the village, all through the village, and if you look there, that's the sort of main road-ish through the middle of the village past the church and the pub. But up here, in the 1800s, in the early 1900s, was a similar status of road up to Placer Esgob, and you can just see it round here. It's simply now just a farm track up to the farm Placer Esgob. How times change. Okay, there's a nice story about the railway station that was built some time ago. Just tell us a little piece about that.
Yeah, just opposite the off the Corwin Road as you come into Llanelidan, there's a little lane opposite, which down that lane there was a small little railway station built, which was for private use for the Naylor-Leyland family, and Queen Victoria stopped off there. It was built for her really, and she stopped off to stay one night in the hall, and then she went on to Corwin on the train, because they ran then through this area. And I think Sir Vivian, or maybe his father, one of the Naylor-Leylands anyway, kept it for their own use, and then just decided to demolish it then, flattened it, so it's...
Maybe we can try and see where it was.
Yeah, we can, yeah.
Okay.
Or the remains of it anyway,
yes.
One or the other.
Okay.
There we are, okay.
Excitement! Excitement! We're excited.
We are very excited. We've just found what we think's a railway bridge, because there's a massive girder under there, and for such a small place, you know, you wouldn't go to the trouble of building it like that. So it must have been to hold the weight of a train. So we'll see. The important is over here. Everybody got the camera. It's over there. And that would have been it.
So there is the evidence of the train passing through Llanelidan. Paul, what's this feature we've got here?
This would have been used for keeping milk churns on, and you would have stepped up on here and load them on, and then so onto a horse and cart, and then off for the milk delivery. It's a nice feature. Very nice feature that.
It's a 15th century built church, so very, very old. There's a date here from 1618. You can see above one of the windows just on the outside of the church by the porch. Okay, this war memorial, Llanelidan Church, well looked after, well maintained. First and Second World War names. Just have a look down at some of these names for a minute. George Vivian Naylor-Leyland, 22 years of age. John Jones, James Morris, William Edwards, Edward Jones, William Hugh Jones, Howell Edwards, John Ellis Davis, William Jones, Edward Williams Jones, William Price Hughes, John William Roberts, Glyn Edwards, Edward Jones. Those are First World War. Second World War, Leslie Thomas Bevan, Robert Hughes, Robert John Jones, and Alan Edwards. One of the best maintained. Just have a look at this little crown here. Yeah. Nice spot too.